Hey guys, it's Rena. I'm doing a random video because I'm bored out of my mind. Yeah! So I'm just going to show you my binder here. Yeah, this abomination of life. It actually just has 2 pages of... Is the lighting different? Freaking shiny Pokemon. We have... right here, Zapdos, Electrifier, Lantern, Vulpix, Mightyena, Puchiana, Zorak, Lucario, Black Kyurem. Nah. I think I can put more in the back. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that. Here we have Clink. Oh my god, no! Okay, so after this, I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna test my theory of being able to put stuff in the back for more Pokemon in here. And I'm exchanging these 2. I have Clink, Person Thing, Absol, Rayquaza EX, Manichick EX, Zekrom, not Zapdos EX, Zekrom EX, Cobalion EX, Seismitoad EX, Charizard EX. I'm not quitting, by the way. Actually, I might be school reasons. But yeah, Basil and Lily love you. Go rescue your dog.